Well, Jacques Clouseau from the Pink Panther was not able to get a flight out of Paris due to the coronavirus. He tried, but feels we gathered sufficient evidence. So I'm going to go through the PowerPoint of Criterion 2 and show you the evidence that we've gathered so far. So for 2A, institution establishes and follows policies and processes to ensure fair and ethical behavior on the part of its governing board, administration, faculty, and staff. MTI has evidence showing hiring qualifications and processes for faculty and staff handbooks, academic catalog, documentation of ongoing training related to integrity issues, campus safety, policies on non-discrimination, anti-harassment, FRIPA, anti-nepotism, list of auxiliary functions, bookstore information, student health services. For 2B, the institution presents itself clearly and completely to its students and to the public. MTI has evidence showing MTI course schedules for each program. We have published lists of all current accreditations of programs accredited. We show listed tuition fees. Our academic catalog includes all program requirements. Our website shows current faculty and staff. We show information pertaining to entity that is responsible for fiscal and operational oversight of the institution. 2C, the governing board of the institution is autonomous to make decisions in the best interest of the institution in compliance with board policies to ensure the institution's integrity. MTI has evidence showing MTI has manuals, policies, and bylaws and pages of documentations of the process for board members, including their bios. We have documented dates, agendas, and minutes of board meetings for multiple years. We can present how we do orientation process for board members. We have budgeting process documents and self-examinations of board members. For 2D, the institution is committed to academic freedom and freedom of expression in pursuit of truth in teaching and learning. MTI has evidence showing we have listing of activities supported and sponsored by the institution that allows for discussion, varying views and opinions. All faculty should have the freedom of expression in their syllabi. Each program also should have policies and procedures for their students. We have the statement of censorship. Lastly, 2E, institutions' policies and procedures call for responsible acquisition, discovery, and application of knowledge by its faculty, staff, and students. We have evidence showing we have policies on academic integrity. We have policies in student and faculty handbooks, including our Students' Honor as well as Student Scholarship. And lastly, your assignments for Criterion 2. The program directors of each program. Go to your web page and scan to make sure that your program's page is accurate. Make sure you have all of the freedom of expression in your summer and fall syllabi. Update your program student handbooks. Thank you.